this is Christine again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate your favorite applications in devices using Zapier to make your work more productive. But before we start, let me tell you what exactly is Zapier. Zapier is an online automation tool that connects your application and services. You can connect two or more applications to automate repetitive tasks without coding or relying on developers to build the integration. In short, it makes our lives easier. So, let's start with a tutorial. First, you have to log in, or if you don't have an account, you can sign up and use it for free. However, there are some limitations, like you can only have 5 zaps. So you need to make sure that you will automate the most important applications you have been using. Okay, after logging in, it will direct you to their welcome page. Choose your role and choose how many of you will be using the application. But remember, this is just a tutorial. Let's just randomly select. Or you can even skip it if you like. Then press continue. It will inform you what are the applications that you use. Click each one. It doesn't matter how many. Then click finish to set up. Then, if you know what application you want to use, you can actually connect that application to another applications. Let's explore before we proceed in making a zap. Turn your focus on the left sidebar. You will see a button. That's the thing to click if you want to make a zap. Below that is the dashboard, zaps, my application, my history, explore, and get help. However, it's our first time to use this, so there will be no data recorded. Let's just continue in making our first zap. You will see in the page that we need a trigger. This will be our start of our first zap. Let's name our zap first. I usually input the date first to remind me when did I last use it and the name of the application that you will be using. Then click on the FB pages. Choose the trigger event. Then choose new post to your timeline. Then connect and choose your Facebook page. And then connect and set up the trigger. Then again, this is a new zap. We need to create a post first in our FB page so we can test the trigger. Now let's go back to our FB page. Okay, my page is about a 2-in-1 coffee cacao machine. We can either post a question to our followers, something like their beverage preference is either coffee or cacao. And then post it. Then let's go back to our Zapier page and test the trigger. After testing the trigger, we need an action. So if someone is commented on our FB page, the data will be collected and transferred to our Google Drive. So let's first choose an account in Google and set up the action. Okay, and then the comment will go to the Google Sheet. And let's try it out by commenting to our post. Check our Google Drive, and there it is! Now, you can try it for yourself. Okay, that's it then. I hope you learned something new again. Auf Wiedersehen! See you on my next video tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.